All of you, listen carefully. Find the nuclear radius of oxygen, right? So now we need to find nuclear radius. That means we'll use radius formula. What is the radius formula? Now R equal to R naught a to the power 1 by 3. Yes or no? Now if you see oxygen here, for oxygen what is the mass number? Mass number is 16. Okay, oxygen. Now here R equal to R naught is nothing but it is 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 15 into 16 to the power 1 by 3. Now 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 15, 16 to the power 1 by 3 means how much it will come? It is around 2.5. You check 2.5. Now 1.2 into 2.5, if you multiply, how much you will get? You will get around 3. So 3 into 10 to the power minus 15 meter. Okay, or you can write this one, or you can write what? 3 for me. And remember here R naught value what we have taken? Now R naught value is 1.2 for me, or that is 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 15 meter. Okay, this is your R naught value. Okay, this is your R naught value. We have taken this. Clear? Are you getting everyone clearly? No doubt here? What doubt? No doubt. Okay, no doubt. So 16 is coming in between what? 8 and 27. 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is 27. So 16 to the power 1 by 3, it will be in between 2 and 3. Okay, because 2 cube is 8 and 3 cube is 27. Okay, so 16 is coming in between that. So that means you can take 2 point something. So if you calculate properly, it will 2.5 will come, 5 to around. So let's take 2.5 and calculate. So this is a radius. This is the radius of oxygen, R. This is what we want to find. 3 for me. Remember nuclear radius in femtometer order it will come. Femtometer order. So I hope you understood everyone, right? So this is your answer. This is your answer. Now come to next question. Shall I go next? Ask a doubt us. Now come to the next problem. So here it is given one question, if the nuclear radius of aluminum 27 is 3.6 Fermi, okay, FM means Fermi, femtometer, then find the approximate nuclear radius of 60, copper 64, yes or no? Now all of you listen carefully here. Answer right. Answer. You know, if R1 by R2 or R2 by R1 I'll do, R2 by R1. So what I'll get? A2 by A1 to the power 1 by 3. What is this? As R is dark proportional to A to the power 1 by 3. We know that one. R is dark proportional to A to the power 1 by 3. So R2 by R1 will come this much. A2 by A1 power 1 by 3. Now what we'll do? You want to find R2. Then R1 into A2 by A1 power 1 by 3. Okay. Now what is R1, R2? Now you check the question and take here. Here R1 you consider 3.6 Fermi. For aluminum you take everything R1, A1. A1 is 27. This is for aluminum. Now next is for A2 64 take. 64 and R2 you don't know. You have to find it. So this is for this one you take. Now all of you listen here. Now if I will do here R2 and to calculate, then it is 3.6 Fermi into A2. What is A2? 64. A1 27 to the power what? 1 by 3. 64 by 27 is 1 by 3. Now R2 3.6 Fermi into 64 is what? 4 by 3 to the power cube into 1 by 3. Listen, 64 by 27 I can write 4 by 3 to the power 3 into 1 by 3. Are you getting or not? Okay, if I am not understanding here, again I will go to the next page and I will tell you. Let me go to next page and say 64. If you 4 q will find 4q, 4 into 4 into 4. 3 times you multiply 4, you will get 64. So here R2 is R1 is 3.6 Fermi into, here you are getting A2 by A1. A2 by A1 which is 64 by 27. So I'll write here 4 by 3 to the power q into 1 by 3. Now R2 3.6 Fermi into this one is what? 4 by 3. Now 3 and 1, 3.6 will get cancelled. It will be 1.2 into 4. So that will be answer how much? 4.8 Fermi. Or you can write in SI unit also if you want to write, you can write. Or you can write this one as 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 15 meter. Okay, this is your answer. This is your answer. So use this formula, R2 by R1 equal to A2 by A1 to the power 1 by 3. And listen, A1, whatever given data for aluminum and all, you took that one as A1 and R1, and for other which is not given, you took A2 and R2. Clear? Then after you calculate it. Now all of you listen here, R2 by R1 is A2 by A1 to the power 1 by 3, and you calculated R1 is 3.6 Fermi, so A2 A1 value given, you are substituting, and one thing you are doing here, 64 by 27 you are writing 4 by 3 to the power whole cube, because 4 into 4 into 4 will give you 64. Similarly 3 into 3 into 3 cube will give you 27. Okay, so that's why 4 to the power 4 by 3 to the power whole cube wrote 64 by 27. Okay. Now 1 by 3 thereof, 3 will cancel, you get R1, R2. So what is your answer? Your answer is coming 4.8 Fermi. 4.8. I hope you understand. Okay, note it down. Next page. Okay, thank you.